I'm Cadet Dela Rama.
I Cadet Rosaroso.
I Cadet Pael. And I Cadet Taladro.
And I Cadet Ao.
Hello everyone! Welcome to our video on the importance of real-life application in math, science, and technology.
Today, our team will divide it into 5 facilitating topics that will showcase how these subjects shape our world. Let's get started.
Ever wondered why mathematics is like a language of science?
We measure everything from length to mass. Understanding how to convert units allow us to speak the same scientific language. For example, converting meter to feet.
Vectors are like arrows in math, pointing in different directions. In our everyday life, we use them to describe motion or forces. Vector analysis helps us break down these arrows and understand their components. It is a powerful tool for navigating the complexities of physics and engineering.
Kinematics is a study of motion to how things move, from a car speeding down the highway to a basketball soaring through the air. Kinematics allow us to analyze and predict motion by understanding the speed, velocity, and acceleration.
Forces are everywhere, from lifting a book to launching a rocket. Understanding the principles of forces and motion helps us design structures, vehicles, and machines that can withstand or exploit these forces. Is the key to innovation and efficiency in our technological advancements.
Ever wondered at the behavior of liquids? Fluid statics focuses on fluids at rest, teaching us how liquids and gases exert pressure. This knowledge is crucial in designing everything, from pipelines to submarines. It ensures that structures can withstand the forces exerted by fluids, making our world safer and more efficient.
And there you have it, a glimpse into the incredible world of
Math, science, technology.
These topics not only shape our understanding of the universe, but also drive technological advancements that better our lives.